Yeah. Yeah. Let me start right here. Let me start when my brain was a young person. Talked all day, left some pain, left my tongue hurting. Could never pretend I'm perfect. Pulled down the dumb curtain, threw it in the fireplace, and I burned it. Okay, I should break my whole body and rip out my jaw. Self-mutilation should not be against the law. Officers forcing people in confines with their car, poking all these bullets in people's skulls like Charizard. Boom, fuck a cop. I just wanted to say that. Would rather have a person that I love to have a mate back. Oh, I don't got neither. Wanna go back to school and apologize to my teacher, cause she was just doing her job like shit. Ain't mean to throw my binder at your head and walking out your class under my breath, call you a stupid bitch. It wasn't my fault, it was the voices in the back of cerebellum yelling, murder yourself. Oh, I ain't wanna do it, but I tried to. Pussy, you have voices in your head telling you drop, then you would dive too. Listen to me, you should just do it. No, he shouldn't, cause he's got a dream that he's pursuing. If you think about it, you should shut the fuck up. Oh shit, you mean business this time, motherfucker, yelling in his college shirt. Little bitty bitch, you cannot talk to birds, so why you whistle at them on the dock? They cannot hear your words. The bird flocked over to my shoulder and landed on it, clamoring that I should get a life and learn to handle it. That hurt my feelings. Then the bird flew away and turned into the ceiling. Please come back, you flew too far. Don't wanna sit on this dock alone. I don't wanna sit on this dock alone. I don't wanna sit on this dock alone. Yeah.